Before starting problems, what we did last time, concept or else synopsis. But there is one unit which is important one left is Bayes theorem. Very dangerous and very interesting and important also. Related to conditional probability. This is in the conditional there is one unit left over is called Bayes theorem. That John Bayes, name of the scientist John Bayes, he introduced this theorem, so called Bayes theorem. The meaning of and their introduction is reverse probability. It is actually the process is called reverse probability. Means reverse problem. They will give you information and they will tell you from where they want to select. Answer is there, but that much that can be taken to reverse direction. Okay. Then it is called Bayes theorem. I just write the expression only as a result, right? E1, E2, E3 are events of sample space. A is any particular event. We want probability of A after E1. Then first find what is E1 probability. With that in E1 what is the chance of A? Chance in the sense sharing. How the sharing of A is obtained from the person E1. Assume that there are three persons. A is a separate independent person, is collecting money, fund. For that he is approaching E1. He is getting some money. E2 is approaching. E3 is approaching. At the end he is receiving 100 rupees. Finally. That means all the three persons are giving some money. At the end total it goes to 100 rupees. Total. Out of 100 rupees, what is the share of E1? What is the share of E2? Share of E3? Then you have to go to meet E1. First you meet E1. Ask E1, what is your share? A is collecting. That is favorable to this. Denominator, everyone, all will come. Means everyone you have to repeat. E1, from E1 share, E2, from E2 share, E3, then E3 share. At the end it is total. That is why it is called total probability. Okay. Denominator actually to understand I wrote, actually you can write sigma notation. Sigma also you can write. Now I write in simplest form. Sometimes in mains we need these expressions also as a question. Formula itself. P of EI A by EI where I value is 1, 2, 3. Any number of events whatever we have, summation of series. Sigma is for summation of series. This is called sharing. See, suppose this is E1, E2, E3. There are three events in a sample space. A is the event denotes fund collected from all. That means this is called A from E1. This is called E2. Then this is called E3. All these you take. Then you are getting total A. So called, this is actually speaking, all the pieces adding together. Then it generates A. That means A independently on its own does not exist. A is here 100 rupees. 100 rupees is not on the table. This is because of pieces selected from everybody. Hence here 100 rupees does not call as an event A in the beginning. No. It is because of sharing from every person. These are all shareholders. And hence this is about actually expression as formula we say for base theorem. But discussing problems will give more ideas. We need discussion. How they will give statements. Practice number of problems. Reading the statement, you decide it is come under Bayes theorem. That is important. Suddenly in the exam you will not strike binomial distribution or random variable or Bayes theorem application or else total probability or only independent events or addition theorem, multiplication. All are at a time striking a confusion. Now I write here one example. See, it is perfectly related to multiple experiments. So far we have done single experiment. What is a single experiment? A coin is tossed, what is probability? 2 dice are rolled, probability. Bag contains red, green, black, 1 ball, 2 balls, selecting therefore bag, 1 bag. Over. But here we are going for joint venture, 2 experiments. When you read the statement related to combination, that is called Bayes theorem. Now I write one example. 3 bags ABC contain the, to understand the easy problem I do AB 2 bags only, easy for you. Later I do for 3. 2 bags AB contain the following: bag, then balls, white, red. Okay, here 3, here 2, here 4, here 3. Table is given. You are not going to select the ball from the bag directly. You cannot go. No. Now I will give you at the entrance. A coin is tossed. Simple example I am writing. It is possible even in CET, in NDA, simple example. No complication. A coin is tossed. If head comes up, select the bag A. Otherwise, bag B. Otherwise, what you will do? Tail getting. You are not getting head means what next? Tail only compulsory. Okay. Now you have got bag selection, and in that one ball is drawn. It is found that given result, he is not asking find the probability that it is red ball, not like that. It is found that it is red ball. He gave. Okay. Find the difference. Earlier what we have problems? Find the probability that the ball is red ball. No. He is giving you answer. Now he is going back. Probability that red ball is taken from bag A. See, you cannot go to B at random. You are selecting ball blindly. You found it is red ball, but it cannot be from B. He is asking it must be from A. This type of story you read it. Hence it is called problem come under Bayes theorem. We will select first bags. What is probability of bag A is same as getting head. One coin is tossed. 1 by 2. Probability of B also same one. Easy calculation. Next, R represents red ball, taking red ball. What is question here? First you decide. If you know the question what they want, then you can start, you give your answer. Information first receive. Okay? What they are giving, what do you understand, what you gave them. That is what question paper. What is the exam conducting here? Every time everybody will write. They will give something on paper. You read them. You write the answers on your paper. You give the paper to backer. Who gave question paper? To them you are written the paper. So, these are all 3 steps. What is question given? Understand? What you want, give answer. They will understand. If it is correct, happy. Not correct, no mark. Here, R is red ball. What is your question here given? It is found that red ball, but it must be from bag A. What is the first thing happening here important? We know that it is red ball. First event. Conditional probability. After that, I want it is from A. This is your question. Probability of A after R. Then apply Bayes theorem. How you write? This is equal to, first go to bag A, favorable, numerator. In that bag A, red ball probability. First, by all the bags, N of S, total probability. How many bags are there? Everywhere you have to go. Because I gave only 2 bags, so I wrote. Now substitute. This is 1 by 2. In A bag, what is red ball probability in the table directly? 2 by 5. By A by 2, 2 by 5, bag probability, B bag, red probability, 3 by 7, completed, half cancelled, 35 LCM cancelled, 2 into 7 by 2 into 7, 3 into 5, finish. 14 by 14 plus 15. Answer 39. See, the answer how you are getting in a smooth and simple. Once you understand matter close, immediately you have what you understand in sense, you put what is question. What they are asking you question, first you try to give expression. Exactly you reverse write down, you will get formula. Now this is for easy to understand, hence I give 2 bags, 1 coin. Second example I write here, 3 bags. Okay. 3 bags. Generally here they select bag problems only, maximum. Bag, ball. That bag is combined with the coin dice. Maximum. So, second example. See, 3 bags contain the following. Mains problem compulsory. Tabular form, everything in previous question papers it is there. Bag A, B, C, then red, white, green. So many values I am giving. Balls are more. Combined experiment now. Now I will give you a die. Bag directly we are not going. Okay? A die is rolling. That means selecting the bag depends on rolling of die. If 1 or 2 come up, select A. That means Selecting bag A is depending on how you are getting 1 or 2 when a die is rolled. Therefore, if 3 or 4 or 5 come, select B. Otherwise means what? 6 left over. Select bag C. Okay. Now story is about how you select bags completed. One ball is drawn at random. And it is found to be green. He gave information. You see, earlier what are the questions? Find the probability that the ball drawn is green ball. But not like that. He gave you a result. But what is the probability that it is from bag C? It must be taken from bag C. One by one, if you understand, first you finish the basic data, preliminary. What is preliminary here? What is chance of selecting A? Getting bag A is equal to probability of getting 1 or 2 on a die. 2 by 6. 2 by 6. What is the probability of bag B? When a die is rolled, first exercise, very waste problem in the beginning, PUC 1 mark question. A die is rolled, what is probability of getting 3 or 4 or 5? Favorable 3 or out of n of s 6? So simple, 3 by 6. Otherwise, what is left over? 1 by 6. 6 means one number. This is about bag selection. What is question mark we have to put first? What they want? What is happening first? One ball is drawn. We know that it is green ball. So first we notice it is green ball. After that he wants it must be only from C. This is your question. Like expression. Now, once you note the question mark here, then you can easily write the formula related to given question from Bayes theorem. So called reverse probability. Okay. What is expression we have to write? First numerator is favorable, denominator everyone. Now I write here probability of the bag C after noticing that it is green ball is the same as go to first numerator is favorable. Go to C first. In that C bag, what is the chance of getting green? Okay. Now denominator n of this total chances of all bags available shows that every bag we have to go to A, ask him that A, where is G? Go to B, ask him the bag B, what is that G chance? Everything you have to repeat so that it is one particular result or as a theorem in PUC. Denominator is alone one theorem. What is the statement so called? Total probability theorem. That is called. Okay. Here it is n of s. Expression complete substitution from the table. Table 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4. Some numbers. Okay? Some numbers I get. Now you see. What is the C bag probability? 1 by 6. In C, green 4 by total 8. 4 by 8 by A bag 2 by 6. 2 by 6. A alone. In this what is G? 1 by 6 plus B bag 3 by 6. In B bag, green, 2 by 11 plus same. First entire what is common number cancel? 6, 8 to cancel first. Okay? 6 to 8 to cancel. 6 to 8 to cancel. 4 by 2, 8 by 6. 3 into 2 into 8 by 11 plus 4. 66 cancel. 4 into 66 by 16. 48 into 6 plus 4 into 66. And then answer only a real number. Definitely will get less than 1. In case further if you modify, your development is important. Basically you can cancel 4. Big number, don't go for a final direct blind calculation. You see here, entire 4 is common. Cancel 4 overall in the space 1 by 4 plus 12 plus 1. Here by 6, here by 11. Now you can simplify. 66 by 44. 72 plus 44. Answer is finished. All your calculations only finally. But what do you understand here? Whenever the statement has a story, big story, more number of explanations he will give in the question. Combination of 2 experiments. As per your syllabus, 2 experiments only. Called Bayes theorem definitely. Bag, dice, bag, coin, dice and coin combined. So called Bayes theorem, reverse probability. Problem not difficult, but time consuming. It will take some time. Slow process, but guarantee answer. No wrong values. Though there is no mathematics. This is logic. This chapter is not come under maths. Why I said is that you are not using any trigonometry, differentiation, integration, or geometry, nothing is there. That is why it is not in our maths, it is from logic. Understand? Slowly at the end you select this problem, guarantee answer. That is why at the end I am explaining. After this Bayes theorem, now we can start problems. Okay? We can do problems. See, you will receive this assignment number 17. Okay? We have these 17 problems are purely for probability here, so that we must be ready with the basics from permutations, combinations. Now I see the first problem. An insurance salesman sells policies, 5 men, first story you have to read. Identical age, good health, very strong, black, white, okay, all are not important. What they want is a person is alive after 30 years is 2 by 3. That is main probability. See, here A represents that person is alive. Otherwise he will not come on the insurance people. If person is not alive, insurance people, nobody will come. Okay. Once he comes for a person is meeting A, where A is alive, his probability is given 2 by 3. Then what is the probability that he dead? Not alive. Complementary event. 1 minus A. 1 minus 2 by 3. Okay? That. Out of 5 people, because out of 5 people he is asking. Probability that the lapse of 30 years means insurance over. All 5 are alive. All 5 are alive. This is important. He gave alive probability related, that only he is asking. He can also ask basic here. Out of 5, 3 are alive. Or at least 2 are alive. Exactly 2 alive. At most 2 allowed. These are the generally language we will get in the statements. Exactly means only 2. At least 2 means minimum 2. At most 2 means maximum 2. Okay? That is the difference. In examples you will understand. Now, see what they want. Probability of E. Where E represents all 5 persons are alive. First person alive. What is chance? 2 by 3. Okay? And multiplication theorem. Because all in one operation. All 5 only I am taking one day. Second, also alive. Third is also alive. 4 is also. 5 is also. What is it actually called? Therefore, 2 by 3 whole power 5. 32 by 3 power 5. 3 power 4 81 na? Then it is 243. First option 1 by 16, 16 by 81 and hence happy. Third option 32 by 243. Okay. Same problem. Idea is important. Don't think you are ready with this, therefore they will give. Little bit changes they will make here and there. What they ask, out of 5 people, all 5 selected. 2 of them are not alive. Who are the 2? Who don't know. Then you have to apply binomial theorem. Do the hero. Any 2 of them are alive means x is equal to 2. N is equal to 5. Number of times. What is P represents success probability? Alive. What is Q represents failure probability? Dead. How many they want us? 2 successes. What is binomial theorem for x number of successes? Q power n minus x. This is the answer. Same problem. You have somewhere in between it will come. Here only I am giving. You will finish here only. What is the answer now? 5. Any 2 success here. Any 2 out of 5 alive. Not that first 2 only alive. That person can be anywhere out of 5 places. 5C2 Q value 5 minus 2 P value answer 5C2 is 10. Therefore 10 into 2 square by 3 power 5 over 10 into 4 40 3 power 5. This is answer. So called out of 5 if they reduce means they ask any 2 are alive at least 2. Here only I will write. I gave you exactly 2 now you see. Here only I will finish binomial theorem. Second problem I write here. Probability of at least 2. What is meaning? At least 2 are alive. Minimum 2. From mass function, probability mass function. At least 2, what is its reverse? Because going more than that big. 2, 3, 4, 5 you have to calculate. You go to complement. Smaller size. 1 minus. Actually what is its inequality meaning? P of x less greater than or equal to 2 is equal to 1 minus complementary event. What is complement? De Morgan law. Set here it. Greater than or equal to what is De Morgan law, sir? Less than 2. Before 2 but not 2. How many are there? Either none of them or one of them over before 2 only. This way of writing is probability mass function. And then 1 minus. Hence I just write the expression 1 minus of x equal to 0. 5C 0. 2 by 3 power 5. 1 by 3 power 0. 5C1. 2 by 3 power 4. And 1 by 3. Expression only I am writing. Calculation don't you do it later easy only. I am showing you 3 problems in one example that they can give anyone. Which is also because of binomial. That is okay, assignment problem. This will be in your additional problems. Exactly 2. At least 2. Now I am asking at most 2. Maximum 2. Only. Maximum 2, what is meaning? X less than or equal to 2. Then how to express this function? Up to 2 you have to go starting with minimum. Either 0 or 1 or 2. Answer is finished. Write the values. This is so called complete idea of one example for complete unit discussion. This is okay. One problem they gave like that.